i-clarify ko ano yan para sa Metro Manila at mga urban centers na may 24 hours need ng ating mga police. I leave it also to the commanders on the ground, especially the regional directors and the provincial directors, to make an independent assessment of their areas kung applicable ba yun sa kanila o hindi. Pero sa mga areas ng mga cities that never sleep. Okay, cities that never sleep. Metro Manila especially, Makati, Quezon City, Manila, Pasay, yung mga 24 oras sabi nakikita ng mga tao sa kalsada, I will really impose the 8 hours duty sa ating kapulisan. Bakit? Kasi tao rin ang mga yan, hindi makina yan. At ayoko makakita ng pulis na tulog. Kasi pag ginawa natin itong current na 12 hours duty, 1 day break for every week, we are making them work at 72 hours. 72 hours per week yan. Na sobra-sobra naman sa ating mga kababayan na nagtatrabaho ng according to labor rules na 40 hours per week. So, 40 hours naman per week eh. You know that ang mga police natin is working right now for 72 hours. So, we'll try to make a system that will reduce the working hours but in exchange, we'll be looking for quality time. Kaya, after this day, pag may makita pa kayong police sa duty dito sa Metro Manila, sabihin nyo, i-dismiss natin kaagad yun. Walang patawa doon.
So, it start now?
Yeah, it starts now.